Well, it's been a little over a month, about 4.5 weeks, and going to catch y'all up again and do another video on the construction phase of this beautiful two-story that is coming along actually exceptionally well. So just from this picture on the video alone, you can see quite a bit of difference over the last 4 weeks. Bearing in mind we had even about a week of rain. Don't forget, we had that cold spell, actually 2 cold spells for the last I'd say week and a half. So this is pretty incredible what I'm seeing from the distance, and I'll catch up with you a little bit more on site. Much to a lot of people's surprise, that's not so bad for basically 3.5 weeks more of work since my last update. I just thought I'd stop here and pinpoint this and compare it to the previous video on our Cabrera RD YouTube channel, and you'll get a great idea about how things are progressing and how it does not take that long to build a house with the proper contractors. I've been helping people with this for so many years now, and this one just appears to be another example of how, when I say roughly 8 months, even on a sizable home, if weather permits and supply lines stay strong, you're going to have a house that's beautiful in about 8 to 10 months time, which I believe would be comparable to Canada, US, or anything else. This is not a small home by any means, and we'll explore it a little closer. Okay, welcome back. In what is going to be the main area of the home, some people call it a Florida room or a great room, but this is the main area. I'm actually standing on what will be the outdoor porch by the pool, so I'm giving you a complete 360 of it, and it's really coming along beautifully. That's going to be a superb area where that pool and hot tub is going to be. And right now I'm going to continue on with a little bit more on the inside of it. And if safe enough, I'm going to go to the second story. So it's giving you an idea of how much can be done in actually work time, a little under a month since our last video. There's the staircase going into the second level. Well, that was a bit of a challenge making it up the staircase. But anyway, I'm going to slowly go through here. I want to make sure I stay safe. But it's going to be another section, which is, this is on top of the garage. I do believe it's going to be an outdoor patio for the morning. Making my way through here carefully. Okay, this is how they support all construction here, with these straight hardwood Madeira with this hard wood, and they still use these poles. This is the view from the upstairs part of the house. This is also going to be under truss patio all the way down the side. Commences overlooking the pool. Absolutely stellar place to wake up to every morning, in my opinion. Much the same view as we have at our house, and they still have the wood braces on for the second story, the roof. Okay, obviously the floor is roughed in or I wouldn't be walking on it. But I have to be careful here. I shouldn't even really be up here yet, but nobody's on site, so when the cat's away, the mouse can play a little bit. Okay. Absolutely a beautiful setup. So this catches you up to speed, okay? So once again, we're only about a month and about 3 weeks worth of work due to the cold spell. And this thing's coming right along. So I don't know, like any place in the world, there's good builders, bad builders, good lawyers, bad lawyers, really good mechanics, mechanics that aren't so good. And there's nothing like wisdom from living and experiencing and doing. So if there's any opportunities in the future, we'd love to meet with you. We'd love to sit down and help you from A to Z. Make sure everything goes right for you. And so far, these folks tell me they're doing real good and they're happy with the choice. So going downstairs now, this is how the entry would look from the staircase to the main floor. Nice open area. Leads to a beautiful view of the pool and an excellent panoramic ocean view. So as you come down the staircase, you definitely capture a beautiful part. I'm now exiting, which this will be the main entry. This is going to be the garage, and this is going to be the view from the other side. Anyway, hope it gives you a good concept of what's going on here. It's absolutely beautiful.